to discuss about how to type name and concatenate that name to the from the multiple string. All are in Python. So basically, I'm just going to write a code which we can um, create my profession name and profession, or what's like I just want to type that IT and engineer. What's my title? I'm just like, for example, I would say in the start with a print, then what we can print that, even we can use the one apostrophe or the multiple one, so both will works in Python very well. And what we are going to generate is that I'm going to create a name, or create title name. What's my title name is IT engineer. So how to do that one with a different pop-up, just like a basically what we are trying to do, that to familiarize with how to do the print and all this functionality. When I run this one, we can see that the print is not defined, because print should be that small letter if you define that. So then if I run that, then I can say that IT engineer, and even if you just clear all, then all the functions will be clear. Then so this, like when I'm running this one, we get IT engineer. That's perfect. So now we are introducing a pop-up by using the input menu, that even we can just store that one into the particular name. So what I'm just going to ask that, what is your job is. So I'm just like typing job is equal to what's your job. So like I just need a pop-up window for that one, the input, and again your job is. So what's your job is, and if you want that one into the next line, we just like backslash n, then it will become to the next line. So now what we can just like they will ask, so your job is, so then I will can type IT. So even though if you print job simply, then because it's like save that values with uh, the variable called job. So exactly, then if you print that one, and if I just type IT, sorry, yeah, IT, and if you just like type that one, is type 2 times, because you are projecting the variable job even, so we don't need this one. Now I'm just asking the your um, so your job is and your title is, for example, if I just say title is equal to, again, input, almost the same, that your title is. Again, I just like put the backslash n, so it will be get like better understanding. So what we can say that your first they are asking what is your job is IT, and your title is engineer. What engineer is like doesn't matter. So that's like only thing. Then how we can concatenate this one to the combine these two strings together, because this type of this function is type of this is string, variable is string. So then how we can combine that one is print. I'm going to combine, or I'm just a combined title is. So that's a thing I'm just going to um, title could be. Then it's just like a simply add plus, sorry, plus, and if you want to add a space in between, just like add a space like this, and even add plus. Then we just add these two variables. First variable is job, and again plus, because if you want a space in between, we just add this one more time. No, only one plus. And the second one is just like a add plus signal, and apply. Yeah, that's the title. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just print my title as IT engineer. So it's like a combine IT and engineer together. So my job, the first is asking input, your job is, so then I have to type, then title is equal to input. So this value is stored in title, and this value is saved in job. Then we just combine that both together. So quickly I'm just clear all. Then yeah, I'm going to run this file. Perfect. So create a title IT engineer, that's the one we print, and the job, your job is, that's like just say IT, and then enter. Then the second one is your title is an engineer. Then it will combine, the title could be an IT engineer. So that's the one we can see over here. If you just like run one more time, and if any value, we can just like type instead of IT, I would say electronic and communication engineer, or electronics and communication. Then I would say engineer. Then I would say electronics and EC engineer, electronics and communication engineer.